Okay, I'm going to talk today about how to submit an assignment to Turnitin.com. Of course, you first have to make sure that you have an account in Turnitin.com and that you have enrolled in the proper classes. Hopefully, you have already done that. Now we're ready to move on to actually submitting an assignment. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is open up Turnitin.com. Now, Turnitin.com should have by now all of your classes that you will be using Turnitin.com on, and you should see the classes outlined here. So pick the one that you need to turn in an assignment to. Let's choose this class here, and then go to the assignment that needs to be turned in. So for instance, let's say that I am just practicing doing MLA here, but I want to submit something. So the first thing you'll do is you'll find the correct assignment and you'll hit submit. It will already pre-populate your first and your last name, but you do have to put in the submission title. So you can put in whatever you want to call this. But you do have to put a title in there or it will not work for you. And then you have a couple of options, and I'm going to show you how to do it in two different ways. The first thing you can do is if you created this on Word or on some other application, you can, and it's on the computer that you're using or it's in your Z drive and you can find it from this computer, then you're just going to go ahead and hit choose from this computer. And then it asks you to go through wherever you put that document. Here's a document I'll upload. You'll click on that document, you'll open it, and it will ask you if that's the right one. You'll look and see, and then you'll hit upload. Okay, and give it a minute, and in just a minute you will see what it is that you've grabbed. It's such an easy mistake to go and grab the wrong document, or maybe a first draft of something that you've uploaded. So take a close look at it and make sure this is what you meant to turn in. Now, don't be worried about the fact that the spacing is different, or even if that you only have one page of it. It's just giving you a quick and dirty version here. So like, yes, did I mean to turn in this essay, or did by mistake I grab the wrong thing? Once you see it and it is the right thing, then you can go ahead and hit confirm. Now, confirm again, it takes just a minute, and until you see these words at the top of the page, congratulations, your submission is complete, then you're not done. You might have made a mistake somewhere along the line. But as long as you see congratulations, then yay, you did it right and all is well. So that's how you do it if it's a Word document or something like that. If you want it, if you've used Google Docs though, there's an equally easy way to do it. So again, let's turn something else in. So let's say this time I'm turning in this independent reading log. So again, I'll hit submit. And again, I'm going to give it a title so that I'm sure that I'm turning in what I mean to be turning in. And then this time, say I created it in as a Google Doc, and it is in my Google Drive somewhere. Then all you have to do is click on Choose from Google Drive. Make sure that you go into the correct Google Drive if you happen to have a couple of them. Now, if you've never done this before with Turnitin, then it will ask to access your Google account. I swear that's a safe thing to do. You can trust Turnitin.com. Go ahead and hit allow. You'll only have to do that one time. And then, look through and try to find the document that you want to access. Let's say we want this one. We'll click it. We'll hit select. And we will upload it. And it might take a minute. And again, you're going to be asked to confirm that you put the right one in there. So I want to look at this. Is this what I meant to upload? If it's too small to see on the page, again, you can always just double click on it and it will open up a little bit smaller. But if that looks like it's the right thing, then you're cool. And you can go ahead and hit confirm. So there it is. Now, you can also get some additional information. You can go in and look at what you submitted. Now you'll notice that the first one that I submitted, that Word doc, is already in here. It's already told me what percentage similarity I got. I can go and look at that. I can view that assignment. It gives me all sorts of information about what I assigned. Here's the paper itself. Um, if you've never gone to the Feedback Studio, it might walk you through some of these possibilities. You can do that on your own, but we can do that as a class as well. So what it'll do is it'll show you any grammar mistakes that you made. You can click on that. You can see that it thinks that I'm missing a comma here, etc. I can also click on any matching text. For this particular one, there isn't any matching text, but if you've used quotes in your paper, it'll show there where you got those quotes from, etc. So you can see everything you uploaded and what it has to say. Later on, when I've graded it, you'll also be able to read my comments. So that is turnitin.com, turning in. I hope that made sense, and good luck. Thanks so much.